we're just going to do 2b right now, and 2b is really simple in that we have to use our calculator, but a little bit tricky because there's no cotangent button on our calculator, and a little bit tricky because this time it's in radians. So notice the angle inside of cotangent is 12 pi over 5. So cotangent of 12 pi over 5, because our definition of cotangent is that it's 1 over tangent. And the key thing here to notice is this angle theta is the same. So sometimes with reciprocals, we get used to flipping things, and then we have a fraction inside. That fraction, that's the angle. And when you do tan, that angle has to stay the same. So we take out our calculators. The first thing we have to do is go to our mode button and make sure that we're in radians, and I'm not. So I go to radian, push enter, and then quit out of my mode. And then write 1 over tan pi over 5. 0.324. 0.325 to the nearest hundredth. .32. I like these numbers just to point out something that I've seen in the past. If you rounded that to the nearest thousandth, what would it be? 0.325. And now if you rounded it to the nearest hundredth, what would it be? Well, it would be 0.32. But if you rounded first and then rounded again, you might accidentally round up. Do you see how that might happen? It's like you did a double rounding and rounded up instead of rounded down. So I've seen that happen a few times. So I just thought, oh, those numbers are interesting for that reason. Okay, so to the nearest hundredth, 0.32. 6 and 11, but we won't do those right now.